Welcome to this video on Introduction to Midjourney. In this video, we'll be exploring one of the most powerful language models available today, Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-generating AI that can create unique and high-quality content for a wide range of creative and commercial purposes. In this video, we'll start with a brief overview of Midjourney, including its history, purpose, and capabilities. We'll explain why it's important for creatives, entrepreneurs, and businesses to learn how to use Midjourney AI, and how it can help them unlock new possibilities and achieve their goals. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, Midjourney can help you generate ideas, create content, and even make money. With its latest version, Midjourney V5, you can access new features like customizable settings, suggestions, and prompts that can help you create unique and high-quality text and art. So, if you're interested in learning more about Midjourney, and how it can benefit your creative or commercial endeavors, then stick around for this exciting and informative video.